priest is a shepherd. The world is a wolf.
No. I don't believe that, Father, respectfully. You start fighting wolves, and before you know it, everyone you don't understand is a wolf. I still got that fighting instinct, and I gave into it today, but Christ came to heal the world, not fight it. It's this, not this, you know?
Like carillon bells, the house of Augustus rings, with the echoing hymn of my fellow Passerine. They took to it like a fox to a burrow, like an eagle to an aerie. And my God, it's getting hard to even hum a single thing, 'cause you were the song that I'd always sing. You were the light that the fire would bring, but I can't shake this feeling that I was only pushing the spirit to your side again.
Just want to be a good priest. Show broken people like me the forgiveness and love of Christ. The world needs that so bad.
Right! Yes! Anger! Anger lets us fight back, take back the ground we've lost.
My birds of a kind, more and more are looking like Centurions in any little Messiah. As I prune my feathers like leaves from a vine, I find that we have fewer and fewer in common. My palms and fingers still reek of gasoline, though fueled in the fire of that Greco-Roman dream. Here by the holy rock to melt the gilded seas. It'll bring me relief, no, it'll bring me nothing that you were the song that I'd always sing. You were the light that the fire would bring, but I can't shake this feeling that I was only pushing the spirit to your side again and again and again.
We're looking for a murderer. This is not a game.
It is a game! Solving it, winning it, getting your big checkmate moment. And by using me in it, you're setting me against my real and only purpose in life, which is not to fight the wicked and bring them to justice, but to serve them and bring them to Christ. Otherwise, I'm just as bad as Wicks, making it about me and not Jesus.
Here comes an